Hi everyone, this is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video I am going to give you my quick overview of an upcoming product called IM Checklist Volume 16. This product is going to be live on 1st of April at 9 a.m. Eastern, and the creator of this product is Kevin Fahey, who has launched previous products as well under IM Checklist umbrella. As you can see, there are a lot many products under IM checklist. It's got it volume 1, volume 2, volume 3 up to volume 12. So what volume 16 is all about? It is all about IM checklist for copywriting. So what you're going to get in this volume 16, you're going to get 18 step-by-step checklist in 5 formats with full PLR. PLR means private label rights. So you can use this product for yourself, and also you've got the rights to resell the product. So what all checklist you're going to get, you can see over here. It says the first one is going to be creative copywriting, which tells you how to get started. Then you're going to get copywriting hacks for appealing content, copywriting research, copywriting tools and resources, copywriting techniques taken from psychology, and all up to 18 checklist for copywriting. So you can use this checklist if you are trying to build your online business, and you need to write articles for your blog. So the copywriting is a very important part of blogging. So you need to know how to write sales pages, how to write ads. So with this checklist, you will get all the information for you to get started. Even if you are already doing copywriting, this product is going to help you enhance your skill and do better in your business. So this product looks to be very promising to me based on the past records of other IM checklist volumes. So what I am going to do, I'm also going to give you my bonus products for this IM checklist, and I'm also going to give you my full review of IM checklist. So as of now, what you have to do, just click on the link down below and subscribe to my list, where you will be notified once the bonuses are live and once the full review is live as well. And if you're watching this video after 1st of April, then you will find the links to my bonus video as well as my full review in the description down below. So I hope you have found this video useful. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.